something. I will enjoy this for now. What am I in a mood to eat? Hmm. I think that's enough for today.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Hi, good morning. So I slept a bit late yesterday night, but I've woken up now. I wouldn't say that it was perfect sleep, but I've got enough rest. So I am just having my cold brew right now, and I will get to my workout in some time.
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet, gummy pears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller. Does my voice make you paralyzed? Can you handle that? Now navigate, lick up my plate. Communicate, no hands when I spray. Check girl, not me. I'm NBC. Real what they bait. Ain't no quick bait.
Just finished my workout. So I did the first 10 minutes, and then for the second paired workout, I did exactly half. I think that's enough for today. It's 3:30 now, and I just got hungry, so I thought I'll eat something. So I have my chia seeds. I took my chia seed pudding, overnight chia seed pudding with blueberries. And also I just wanted to have a toast, so I made an avocado toast as well. Basic plain avocado toast, nothing fancy here. So I will have this for my lunch basically, because it's already 3:30. And I have realized something that these days, I woke up at around 10:30 today. I had my black coffee. I then had my protein shake along with my workout at from 11:30 to 12:15. I think that was when I was working out, and I had my protein shake then. So it's been around 4-5 hours since I've been up. So I'm not sure. I'm not thrilled with the idea that this is my first meal, like basically something that I'm eating. So I will figure something out. I don't want to wait this long before eating something. So I think maybe a toast or something before my workout along with my black coffee. I think that would be a better idea. So let's see. Let's see if I can do something like that. But okay, I'll enjoy my toast and chia seed pudding for now. It's about to be 6 in the evening and I got hungry. I thought I had a filling lunch, I mean chia seeds and a toast, but I don't know, I started feeling hungry, so I thought I'll make something. And I had yesterday's dip, that yogurt coriander mint dip, a little bit of it left, so I thought maybe let's make something, some kind of a chaat. So I made makhana chaat. So basically I roasted makhana, I added onion, cucumber, carrot, and also some feta cheese, salt, black pepper, and I added that yogurt coriander dip that was left over from yesterday. And I will enjoy this for now, and I will see you at dinner. It's 8:50 in the night, and originally I planned to cook dinner for myself, but then I started watching tonight's match and I'm kind of hooked. I really don't want to get up. So I don't know, I was thinking I'll order something. So I was just exploring what I can order. I think let's see if I can find something else, otherwise I'll just order Wendy's. The thing is it's nearby, so it gets delivered in like 10-15 minutes. So let me check. What am I in a mood to eat? See, I love tacos, but then Taco Bell it takes 60 minutes to deliver, so no. I could order a pizza today. There's a Domino's, but I had the last 2 to 3 times that I had ordered from Domino's last year, it was really bad, like really bad. So I think Domino's is a no. So no momos, no pasta, lunchbox, no, not really. I'm not in a mood to eat a bowl. I'm not really. No, I thought I'd okay, let me just order Wendy's. Well, cheesy fries, because I love it. Let's try a different burger. I think I don't like their chimichurri crispy veg burger. Let's try paneer today. Let's see. Okay, let's do a cheese blast spicy paneer. Okay, I think this is what I'll order, and I will see you when it arrives.